Hi friends, every tip I'm going to share with you comes directly from the technicians who work at this appliance repair shop, one of the most well-known in the city. So don't worry, we're going to find the solution. Now getting into the topic, something we hear very often in the shop when a customer comes in with this problem is that the washing machine was running normally, and suddenly F01 appeared on the display. Some customers tell us things like, the washer started the cycle and then suddenly stopped, or I turned it on and it wouldn't even start washing. When we hear these stories, we already know that we're likely dealing with an issue related to the machine's electronic system. In fact, many times the first thing we check is the main control board, because this code usually appears when the washer detects an internal electronic system fault. On various technical forums, customers describe exactly the same thing, and one technician explained it clearly. If the board isn't receiving the signals from the components correctly, the machine protects itself by showing F01. In other words, the washer detects that something isn't communicating properly within the system. We've also seen in the shop that this error can appear simply due to loose internal connections. It may seem minor, but inside the washer, there are several wires connecting sensors, the motor, and the control board. Over time, vibrations from the spin cycle can loosen a connector. More than one customer has told us that the problem appeared after moving the washer or after a house move. Another thing we check frequently is whether there was a power outage or voltage fluctuation in the home. This comes up a lot in repair forums because modern washers are quite sensitive to these issues. Some customers even say, the power went out and when it came back, the error appeared. In those cases, the first thing we always recommend is a full washer reset. That reset is usually simpler than it sounds. Unplug the washer for a few minutes so the electronic system can reboot. It may seem too simple, but several customers have told us that the error disappeared after doing this. One technician at the shop always says something that sums it up well. Many times the washer just needs to reset its brain. We also check the sensors that send information to the board because if one of them sends incorrect data, the washer may interpret it as a system fault. In some rare cases, the problem ends up being a sensor or a component that isn't responding properly.